Hello. Today I'm going to show you a really nice video about how to use an ozone generator to remove odors from your car. Ooh, it smells bad, huh? Unpleasant odors in your car caused by smoke, pads, moisture, or spilled liquids. In this video here, I will show you to properly and safely use an ozone generator in a vehicle to eliminate the odors permanently. Not just cover them up, eh? Not like your tattoos, eh? Yeah, we are getting that really done with that. Ozone is a highly reactive gas that breaks down odor causing of molecules, bacteria, mold, spores, and germs. Unlike air refreshers, the ozone neutralizes odors at the source. And that's the big fact behind that, why it is worked so good. Ozone can be harmful if inhaled. So correct usage is essential of it. Take care of yourself. Before starting the ozone treatment, we properly prepare our car for as well. Vacuum the interior thoroughly. Remove the trash and personal items. Make sure the seats and the carpets are dry. Optionally, we run the air conditioner briefly before change. A clean interior allows the ozone to work more efficiently, of course. Yeah? Okay. No problem. We are ready for that. Yeah? We position the ozone generator in the center of the vehicle, ideally on the floor or center console. Then, of course, we have power options. A standard outlet, yeah, but in this case, you have to lay a wire to the outlet. And this is a little bit tricky then to seal the car completely. In this case, I prefer you should use your entire garage for that. Okay, you have a standard garage, for example. You get the car into place. You use the energy outlet to plug it in. Of course, close all doors and so on, but only let the cable into the car, and this is not completely sealed. So then we are going to add a little bit of runtime to it at the end, of course, but runtime later. Or you get a 12-volt car power adapter, depending on the device, of course. And this is the best thing because you can seal the entire car and the entire vehicle, and you do not have to worry about this. You only seal the car, switch on that thing, let it run. After this, open the car's doors, job's done. That's the easiest way, of course. But the energy consumption is because of the starter battery, or a power pack you can use. Then, window and doors. All doors and windows must be closed. The vehicle should be fully sealed, as I showed you. The runtime depends on the size of the vehicle. If you are in a sealed car, a small car, 30 minutes. A mid-sized car, 45, and an SUV or van, 60 minutes. So 1 hour. Of course, if you use the garage way, then 1 hour plus. Okay, that's impossible. That's possible, not impossible. It's possible. Yeah. So longer runtime do not improve or reduce and may damage the interior materials. So take care a little bit of it. Really important. No people inside the vehicle during the operation or in the garage. No pets inside the vehicle. We do not inhale ozone. Ozone is an irritated the lungs, eyes, and airways. This is a technical treatment, not an air refresher. Yeah, take care of it. Really important. Once the timer ends, we turn off the ozone generator. You can go into it. You will not die instantly. No problem. Open the door, get it out, the system, get it out, and of course, open everything. The ventilate the vehicle for at least 15 minutes, or the garage for 1 hour, okay? We open all doors and windows. Optionally, we take a short drive with the window open. The temporary zone smell will dissipate on its own after this. Yeah? And after treatment, odors are neutralized instead of the masking. For several odors, the process can be repeated after a few days. For air conditioner doors, we set the ventilation to recirculation for a few minutes during the treatment. And regular use helps prevent odors from returning, of course. That's easy, and that's the best way, I think, to fight against odors inside your car. I prepare to make this for my entire garage in once. That means I drive with the car into the garage, get the ozone device into the center of the car, plug it in, and let it run for a while. After 1 hour, I open the gates, switch off the device first, open the gate for 1 hour, just done that. Huh? That's cool, that's easy, that's good because we can make a good smell. Yeah. If I have forgotten something, or you have the same point and you have done this work, tell it in the comment, please, and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.